Focus. Okay, let's move the signage. It's 6:24 and we're leaving at 7:30. No video content. I could secret the video and you wouldn't even notice. Anyway, so I'll talk to you guys when I'm in the car. I just wanted to say hi. Hey Dayz, welcome back to my day. We're about to head out now. My little brother keeps changing his outfit. He looks no better, but I guess it makes a difference to him. Today I'm going to pick up my driver's license, my national ID, and then... How long me take me put on clothes? One time. But not even one time. I just put on the one I take out. And that's it. Yeah. Yeah, so this is my outfit for the day. From head to toe. We got on a jumper, a blue shirt, blue socks to match the shirt, and my favorite Reebok. It has a heart on it. Focus on my heart. You see my heart?
They see the hearts.
Yes. Actually, shaved my legs recently, so you know they're looking much better than when they were here. Stop it. Bye bye. We're at town. We have stopped at a paid parking on the side of the road, but we don't know where to pay for the parking. So you go Jamaica, you're doing things lovely. This is where we call Waterfront, downtown Kingston. Yeah, honestly it's my first time here, standing up in front, well this close to the water. I'm anti-water. Daddy's putting on his shoes in the car and then we're going to walk to the place, tax office, to pick up my driver's license. I'll officially have a driver's license. I'll show it to you. The picture will not be pretty, but I'll show it to you. I just got my license. It's in my handle at the moment. I'll reveal it soon. Give me a second. I have to process this information. I am so happy right now. We're walking towards the car. They did not tow it, even though we did not pay. You go Jamaica. You got benefits after all. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's get it. Yes. I got my license. I got my license. Can you see clearly? That's my face. Analyze it. Since I've been in high school, I haven't been here, town. It looks different, but no different. So we're driving downtown through the wild to buy stuff. Working with my father, town, Jamaica. And put this camera away before I go. We're in Heroes Park filling up water because there's no water at home. None whatsoever. That's a bummer. This was where I came to practice driving when I had my learners. Even when I didn't have my learners, but that's a secret. Shh. We're on our way home. So I'm back at home and waiting on 1:30 to come so we can pick up my little brother. Then we're gonna pick up my ID and then we're gonna full water at the park and drive around for a bit. So I'll see you guys then. We're leaving out earlier than we planned. Yeah, I have the lock.
You have the car key?
No, I'm not the car key. Wow, the sun. Not for me at all.
No.
Run.
Always like give me the bag. Why you can't carry it sometimes?
No, I'm not here. Woman care about that.
What? No? So when man carry? Why is it not located nothing? Can you fix it up for someone? Magic. The onion. Jamaica is a whole scam. For some reason Daddy likes those apples. I do not. Those are bad tasting apples. I like grapes though. I very much like grapes. This will be the last time we come to the supermarket for this month. Need balloon. I'm not bad first today. Not that one. The green one. The green one. The green. And the green one? No, and then the green one. And the orange one. I was a bit confused, but I had the right spirit. Oreo that he just abandoned me. He just walked away to go find brownies. I can make him brownies. Oh, the all the way down there, so hold on. Let's go for cheese. He proceeds to just walk away, leave me again.
No, I come back.
You have anything? So that means you just give the camera and catch the dance down and wait.
Buy 3 more.
Put them in the can. Okay, can you trust me though? You can't trust me for not add any more things. Yeah, you trust me so much? I feel the trust, people. I feel the trust. He might trust me, but I don't trust myself. So I'm buying a cheers. Line busy. We're picking up my ID. The picture gonna look ugly. So yes, I got my ID along with my driver's license today on July the 3rd, 2023.
With the 2 ID.
One time. Now on our way to pick up Chase from school. He looks like he needs rescue. He told us 2 o'clock, but it's 12 o'clock and he said come for. Anyway, we picked up Chase and now we're back at the park. Chase is around there eating ramen because he's hungry. Well, left Oreo for you, Oreo?
Yes,
Yeah, let me take a bit here. Come here, caring sister, loving sister, kind sister. What you just say? Moving on. And I'm home again.
Shayde.